perhaps you'd like to share, I'm curious myself, a bit more on your 5 pillars of longevity. So exercise is one. What else do you have?
I would say in order of importance, she really just nailed it. Sleep is number one. Sleep is number one, period, end of story. You know, if you don't sleep, you're not repairing the brain, but you're not repairing the muscles. And I'm sure you as an athlete, I mean, you're doing 8 to 10 hours a day. If you didn't sleep and provide that recovery, there's no way you could have gone to the Olympics. So I see these career-ending Olympic injuries and say, why? They didn't follow the 5 pillars. So sleep is number one. Number 2 is definitely exercise. It really is. I say that every single day we need to focus on core muscles that are very specific, that are going to keep us moving. Believe it or not, you know, the 55 muscles that support the foot and lower extremity, do you know how important they are? Every single patient that walks in my door